Look at this patio. Black. Disgusting. Completely covered in mildew that has been sitting and spreading since years ago. Now look at this. Bright, clean, restored concrete. No pressure washer, no scrubbing, no expensive chemicals. Just a $4 powder you can grab right now from almost any store. That transformation you just saw, we are going to make that happen today, step by step. And I am going to show you exactly how this powder does something that expensive machines sometimes cannot even do. If your patio, driveway, or any concrete surface looks like a black swamp right now, this video is going to change everything for you. Stay with me until the end, because I am going to reveal the exact ratio, the exact method, and the one timing mistake that most people make that kills the results. And before we go any further, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now. We do this every week. Real chemistry, real results, zero nonsense. Let's get into it. You walk out to your patio and it looks terrible. That dark, slimy, black coating spreading across your concrete is not just dirt. That is living mildew and mold colonies that have rooted themselves into the surface of your concrete. Regular hose water does nothing. Dish soap does nothing. Even scrubbing with a brush barely scratches the surface because the mildew is not sitting on top of the concrete. It is bonded into the pores. And here is what most people do next. They either rent a pressure washer for $60 to $100 a day, or they buy harsh chlorine bleach that damages plants, burns skin, and leaves that horrible smell that stays around for days. But what if I told you that a powder that costs less than $4 can do the same job, or even better, with zero pressure washer, zero scrubbing, and zero toxic fumes? That powder exists. It is called Oxygen Bleach. And today we are proving it works. What is Oxygen Bleach, and why does it destroy mildew so completely? Oxygen bleach is not the same as chlorine bleach. Not even close. The active ingredient is sodium percarbonate. When you mix it with water, it breaks apart and releases something incredibly powerful. Pure active oxygen. That oxygen goes to work immediately. It penetrates the surface, gets into those tiny pores in your concrete where mildew hides, and it oxidizes the mildew at a cellular level. It literally destroys the cell walls of the mold and mildew colonies. It does not just bleach the color, it kills the organism and breaks apart the dark pigment that makes your patio look black. And because it is oxygen-based and not chlorine-based, it is safe for your plants, safe for your pets once it is rinsed away, and safe for the concrete surface itself. No degradation, no etching, no damage, just clean. Now here's where to get it and what to look for. You want pure sodium percarbonate powder, sold under the name Oxygen Bleach or OxyClean style powder, the plain, unscented version without added surfactants. You can find it at hardware stores, cleaning supply stores, or online. A 1 kilogram bag typically costs under $4. That one bag can clean a very large patio area multiple times. This is genuinely one of the best value cleaning products that exists for outdoor concrete. Now let's get into the full process. This is the section you want to pay close attention to because the method matters. Getting the ratio wrong or rushing the timing is how people do this and get disappointing results. Follow this exactly. You will need your oxygen bleach powder, a bucket, warm water, a watering can or a garden sprayer, and a garden hose for rinsing at the end. That is the entire equipment list. First, make sure your patio is dry or only slightly damp. Do not apply this on a patio that is soaking wet from recent rain because it will dilute the solution too much before it can penetrate. Dry concrete is ideal. If you cannot wait, a slightly damp surface still works. Just slightly damp, not wet. Mix the solution in your bucket. The ratio is 1 cup of oxygen bleach powder for every gallon of warm water. Warm water, not cold, because warm water activates the sodium percarbonate faster and more completely. You will see it fizz slightly as you stir. That fizzing is the oxygen activating. That is exactly what you want. For a standard medium-sized patio of around 150 to 200 square feet, mix 2 to 3 gallons of solution. Stir until the powder is fully dissolved. Do not rush this. Give it a full 60 seconds of stirring. Now, apply the solution to the patio surface using a watering can or a pump garden sprayer. Start at one end and work your way across, making sure you are applying the solution generously. You want the concrete visibly wet with the solution, not just lightly misted. For heavily mildewed areas, those really dark, almost slimy sections, pour a little extra directly onto those spots. Do not scrub, do not brush. Do nothing except let the solution sit. This is the most important part. Let it dwell on the surface for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. For heavy black mildew stains that have been there for years, let it sit for a full 45 minutes. During this time, you will start to see something remarkable happening. The dark black areas will begin to visibly lighten as you watch. The mildew is being destroyed by the active oxygen right in front of your eyes. If the surface starts to dry out during the waiting period, especially on a hot or sunny day, reapply a small amount of solution to keep it wet and active. The solution needs to stay in liquid contact with the surface to keep working. Once the dwell time is complete, rinse the patio thoroughly with a garden hose using a strong stream setting. Start at one end and push the loosened mildew and residue off the surface. You will see dark water running off. That is the destroyed mildew being flushed away. Rinse until the water running off is clear. For most patios, this takes 2 to 3 minutes of rinsing. Now step back and look at the difference. This is the moment. Before, the concrete was almost black, covered in a thick layer of dark mildew colonies that made the whole outdoor area look neglected, dirty, and old. After, the natural gray-beige color of the concrete is visible again, bright, clean even, the mildew is completely gone. Not just faded, gone. And we did that with 1 bucket of powder solution, a watering can, and a garden hose. No pressure washer rental, no backbreaking scrubbing, no chlorine chemicals. Total cost, under $4 for the whole patio. This is what proper chemistry does when you apply it correctly. It is not magic. It is sodium percarbonate and active oxygen doing what they were designed to do. A few important things before you go do this yourself. Wear rubber gloves when mixing and applying the solution. Oxygen bleach is mild compared to chlorine bleach, but it can still cause mild skin irritation with prolonged direct contact. Gloves take 5 seconds to put on. Just do it. Avoid getting the solution on unpainted metal. It can cause minor surface oxidation on bare steel over a long dwell time. On concrete, brick, stone, and tile, it is completely safe. Do not do this on a windy day if possible. Wind dries the surface too fast and shortens the dwell time. Overcast days with mild temperatures are actually ideal. The solution stays active longer when it is not evaporating quickly in direct sun. If you are cleaning near garden beds or grass, give those areas a quick pre-rinse with plain water before you apply the solution. This dilutes any overspray and protects your plants even further. Once the final rinse is done and the patio is dried, your plants and pets can use the area completely normally. There is no toxic residue left behind. Now, how do you prevent this from coming back? Black mildew comes back on concrete because concrete is porous and holds moisture. Shade and pore drainage accelerate the growth significantly. After your patio is clean and fully dry, usually 24 to 48 hours later, consider applying a concrete sealer. A penetrating sealer fills those microscopic pores that mildew loves to root into. It does not make the concrete immune to mildew forever, but it dramatically slows regrowth. You can do a maintenance oxygen bleach treatment once or twice a year to keep the surface looking clean long term. Even doing this just once a year completely changes how your patio looks throughout the season. Let me put this in perspective one more time. A pressure washer rental runs $60 to $100 per day. A professional patio cleaning service can cost $150 to $400, depending on the size. A bag of oxygen bleach powder costs $4. Same result. Sometimes better result. Because the oxygen chemistry is actually killing the mildew organism, not just blasting it with water. Pressure washing alone without a cleaning agent often leaves the mildew roots in the concrete, and the black staining comes back in weeks. Oxygen bleach kills it. That is the difference. So there it is, $4 powder. Black mildew completely wiped away. No pressure washer, no scrubbing, no toxic chemicals, no professional needed. Just science, working exactly as it should. If your patio has been looking dark and neglected for months or years, now you have no excuse. This takes under an hour and costs almost nothing. Go do it this weekend. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more people who need this exact solution. Drop a comment below and tell me how bad your patio mildew situation is, or share your results after you try this. I rate every single comment. Subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss what is coming next. Next video, we are tackling something that has been driving people crazy for years. A $3 ingredient that removes rust stains from concrete permanently. Not temporarily, permanently. You're not going to want to miss that one. I will see you there.